tutorial I'm going to show you how to share YouTube videos on your social media. So let's dive in. We're going to open our YouTube. So we'll search for your YouTube. Open your YouTube and you're gonna find the video that you wanted to share. Now okay, let's see, is there any video I wanted to share? Okay, so this video now, I like this video now. I'll just click on the video.
The campus.
Okay guys, sorry for that. Let's go back. I think this network or something else. Sorry for that. So let's go back there. Okay, this is the video. Click on the video. We have two methods that we can use. The first method is we can just click on the streamline button here. You see? And you see share. Click on share. And you will be directed to where on which way do you want to share this. Is it your Telegram? Is it your Facebook Messenger? Is it your WhatsApp? Or do you want to copy the link? Once you copy the link, you can paste the link in any website to say it. So I'm going to click on my Telegram now. And it's going to take me it's going to direct me to my Telegram account to ask where do I want it to post the story. So I'm going to search for the person that I want to share the story. So I'm going to share, let me say I'm going to search for the person now. Let me search. Okay, let me give this. You can see, and you click on share here, and you can see this is the video. Also, this is the video, and the person will automatically say the video that I shared over to her. So this is it. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.